was already on the phone when I came out there.
Yeah, that's what I thought. And then the second one went boom. I was like, oh, yeah. I was sleeping with my daughter. I was like, whoa, okay.
Then the footage I have earlier too. Or...
Oh, okay, yeah.
Hi, baby. What up?
Do you have any footage before it actually got engulfed or?
No.
Okay.
I didn't get any footage. I was on the phone now. Test the lady out.
Get over here.
I'm like, someone said, no, I'm done. I'm like, I don't hear the siren. I'm like, hurry up.
Yeah, they're not like too far from where we are, so.
Like, now the other way, I'm like, I don't see them. It's off.
It's still going over there in the back. You didn't have anything important in there, did you, honey?
I'm so glad that you didn't want it anyway, because that would have just spreaded.
Oh, I know. Because it was so high.
Yeah.
I mean, when I ran out of the pipe, it kept
Oh, it did hit the tree. It hit the tree.
Yeah.
It did hit the tree.